Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to get back a deleted list on Trello quickly and easily. First, log in to your Trello account. You can use Google for a fast and seamless sign-in. Next, navigate to the board where your deleted list was originally located. This is where all your tasks and projects are organized. After that, go to the top right corner of the board and click on the three dots menu. This will open additional options for your board. Then select Archived Items from the drop-down menu. By default, you may see archived cards, so make sure to click Switch to Lists to view your deleted lists. Once you see your deleted list, click on it to restore it. Your list will reappear on the board with all its contents intact. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Trello list and can continue managing your tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.